Now, whenever aspirants start the preparation, in the beginning months, when they start studying or start completely understanding their first subject, it is a great feeling, right? They not only find the subject very interesting, the first one that they are studying, but they also start getting a lot of confidence in the beginning, correct? Which is a good thing. But what happens that they don't plan ahead, they are not able to see the their preparation journey for next 5 months or 10 months. And what they do is that they do not focus on notes making, they do not focus on question solving and daily revision. What they do is they totally enjoy the study in the beginning few months without worrying about the question solving and notes making, which is a big mistake that they do. If someone is starting the preparation in from the mid of March or from the April, you can say, so he has roughly 10 months of time in hand for GATE 2021. Out of those 10 months, some of the time, some of the months will be gone in, final time before GATE, when you will be solving a lot of questions, when you will be doing rigorous revision. So you can remove 1 2 months from that time. So effectively you have 7 8 months of time in your hand. But what students do is that since they feel that there is approximately 1 year's time in hand and they have a lot of time, and the first subject, especially the first few subjects that they start, I'm sure a lot of aspirants can relate with that. They invest a lot of time into their initial first subjects without worrying about question solving, as I said, and notes making. And later on, after 4 5 months, when July, August, September, these months come, then they realize that the time has come, the GATE is coming closer. And if they look at the initial subjects that they completed at that time, then they feel that they have not been solving questions, they have not been revising, and whatever they covered in the initial few months is totally gone out of their mind, right? They will not remember clearly all the concepts that they have covered. So what I want to convey here is that make sure, especially those who are targeting GATE 2021, and in the beginning of their preparation or quite in the mid of their preparation, make sure that you just do not keep on covering the syllabus and understanding the concepts without question solving. It is extremely important that you understand the significance of question solving. All right. Also, one more important thing I want to share in this video regarding the recent coronavirus that we are seeing in the news and in our surrounding. As a result of that, I can personally see that in the Facebook groups and on the social media, a lot of information and a lot of content is being posted regarding that. It is very much important for you to be totally aware and totally careful of the coronavirus, and whatever precautions are needed to be taken, you must take them. But as an aspirant, you need to make sure that you do not get distracted from your preparation. I can see some of the posts in the Facebook group of Exergic where students are saying that they are not able to concentrate on the studies, and which is very much possible because you see many exams are getting delayed, and the result of GATE also this year came, is it was preponed, and there is some disorganized things going on related to the exams, as a result of which some of the students are confused, some of them are in panic, and some of them are simply wasting their time on social media. I have already said that it is important for you to be aware of what is going on, but you do not have to waste time, your precious time, as a result of that. If you remove or if you deduct 1 2 months of your preparation, which you may waste in this, then you will realize that ultimately you will not have more than 5 6 months time in your hand. Calculate it yourself. 2 months to 2.5 months you remove for the end revision and question solving, and if you waste 1.52 months right now, effectively you will not be having more than 6 5 6 months of time in your hand. So it is very crucial for you, if you are a sincere GATE aspirant, it is very crucial for you to realize the importance of this time. And this is something which I am not only saying to to the general students who are listening to me, but to those students as well who are currently enrolled in Exergic and studying with me. You need to make sure that you do not waste your time. You have all the resources available with you. Since Exergic runs totally online and our team is totally working fine. Some of them are working from the office, some of them are working from their home. The content is being updated regularly. You are able to solve questions regularly from whatever sources we offer. You are able to get your doubts resolved. There is nothing, not even 1% change in how Exergic operates. So you need to make sure that you utilize this time properly, understand the significance of this time. I'm purely talking from the competition point of view, that if you get 2 3 months of edge as compared to the rest of the aspirants, it will be a huge advantage for you. So you need to make sure that you utilize this to the maximum. And again, I'm repeating, you need to be as an aware citizen. You need to make sure that you follow all the precautions and instructions which are available to us, and you also spread the awareness on social media regarding all the precautions. But do not waste your time into that. 30 45 minutes, 1 hour is enough. Rest of the time you have with you, utilize that time judicially. Make sure to get the most out of that time judicially. And remember the first point that I told you, that do not, if you, even if you start preparation sincerely, then do not waste a lot of time into initial subjects. Cover them thoroughly, but make sure that you are also making your notes properly. You are also revising and solving questions parallelly. Keep a timeline in your mind, how much time you have for GATE 2021. Remove 2 to 2.5 months of time from that, which will be gone in final revision and question solving, writing full length test, etc. And then you see how much time you have. Accordingly you need to plan. I have already given you the day wise study plan that has the target of completing the syllabus by October, by November. So you don't have to worry, you just follow that and make the most out of this time. All right, all the best.